Okay, in all the years I've been doing this, I always get that one customer that him and his friend have had enough beers and he finally mustered up the courage to go to the junkyard and get him an LS. And the first question they ask is, what should I do next? First thing I tell them to do, take all that crap, throw it away. One of the most important and overlooked things in an LS swap is the ECU and wiring. A lot of guys think they can go on the internet and buy a reworked harness and that's gonna get them where they need to be. But what you gotta remember is, you're just band-aiding a very bad cut at that point, and what you need to do is get rid of all that, get you a standalone ECU. The Holley Terminator and Terminator X Max is where it's at. We use a lot of these, I love them. Wideband O2 sensor, very modular, professionally wrapped, very good looking, show quality harness right out of the box. There ain't no sense in messing around with all that other crap. And they come with 3.5-inch monitors that are basically all your gauges. So if you don't have your car wired yet and you want to hear that baby purr, this is it right here. So get rid of all that other crap, get you a Holley, and get ahead of the pack. Don't forget to visit jessiestore.com for great Holley products like these, along with all the other brands we use and our amazing merchandise. So check it out. It's jessiestore.com.